Okay guys, today we are making veg korma. I'll just show you the various ingredients involved in it. We need 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, some cumin seeds, peppercorns, few cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, and some cinnamon as well. We also need 2 red chilies and some roasted chana dal. We also need ginger, garlic and green chilies, and we need some cashew nut and poppy seeds soaked in water for about 15 minutes. We need some grated coconut, and here are the various vegetables for this korma. We have cauliflower, potatoes, onion, carrot, green peas, tomatoes, and yeah, that's it. So those are the ingredients. I'll just show you how to cook it now. Okay, heat the tawa first. Put some coriander seeds first. Now you can add some fennel seeds to it. Some cumin seeds into it, and also we also added some peppercorns into it. So into this we are adding some cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Now add some red chilies in. And finally add some roasted chana dal. And once when it's roasted, transfer it into a jar or mixie bowl. And the next step, the contents in the mixie, you put in the mixie and you start grinding it. Okay, into the mixture, put some ginger first, then some garlic, put 2 green chilies, and do 1 more round of mixer. Okay, you see the nice mixture there. Into it you are going to add the soaked cashew nuts and poppy seeds. Okay, into this add the freshly grated coconut. And do 1 more round of mixer. Add a little bit of water. So finally your korma masala mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Now that the korma mixture is ready, we're going to start preparing the vegetables. So take a pan and put some oil into it. So once when the oil is hot, add some, initially first you add some onion, once when the onion turns slight pink in color, add tomatoes to it. And start stirring it. So now into this mixture add some turmeric, some chili powder and some salt. Yep, that's it. Now we should start adding the vegetables. So to begin with, we'll put the potatoes. Now add some carrot. Color is looking good now. Now add some French beans. Wow, the color is looking superb. Now into it you will be adding the cauliflower. And stir it well. And finally we have the green peas. Add it into the pan. Once when it is stirred fine, you add some water to it. Okay, that's it. Now close the pan and cook it for some 10 minutes. Okay, so now the vegetables are all fairly cooked. So to this add the korma masala paste. Add some water. Add more water so that you will get the gravy. Okay, stir it well. So after adding sufficient water, now it's stirred well and allow it to cook for some more time. And finally, it's ready. You can garnish it with some coriander leaves now. Okay. There you go. Your dish is ready now. Bye.